Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look at SMCI stock today. Markets have been open for about 40 minutes now, and we are seeing this stock at the moment down by 0.2%. Over the past 5 days, you will know that we are seeing this decent increase from the lows to the highs. We are up more than 7.69%, which is not bad at all actually, and over the past period, 7 days as a whole. Now the past month has been quite rocky, but I think things now are on a very interesting footing, and I think there's a lot to pay attention to. Now, if you watch a video that we made on this stock just yesterday, you will know that my opinions are quite solid here. And that is the fact that historically, very recently, we've seen this level that we've just bounced off. And we're going to call that level, we'll call it roughly 4160, 4170. We've seen this be a level that's held up many a time in the past, right? So just at these lows, even going down to 4140, I should say, just have a look, right? That's the recent levels that we bounced off somewhere in this range. And how many times have we seen this bounce before? Well, we've seen it once, we've seen it twice, we've seen it 3 times. We have seen it 4 times here as well, at least, right? A historical level that we seem to bounce off of quite a bit. Now, why this matters is because this is going to be a point to pay attention to. This has historically been a point where things do turn around. However, in my opinion, if levels at somewhere like 43.68 don't hold, we could be looking to go back down to those ranges. Again, guys, this is just my opinion and I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to make your own opinions as well. But yeah, I think if we don't see these levels hold here, then we could of course be looking to go very low back down to there. However, many people could also speculate that this could be the opportunity where we've already seen the lows and the bounce could be here and very much underway. Now, for this to play out in my head, we're going to need to see a few things. And this really is the sort of video where I'm paying attention more to the upside potential than the downside. I think the downside is very clearly mapped out. We're looking at levels like 44.24, levels that have held up here and here in the past. Past that, we're looking for levels as low as 43.60, and again, ultimately down to 41.50. So that's the downside risk, but what is the potential upside? Well, we're going to need to break above a few key levels. Levels like 44.85, very much a difficulty at the moment, and very much a difficulty at a few points in the past. Recently working as a support too. So that's a level that's been historically significant in the last week or so, a couple of times. Past that, very clearly looking for levels as high as 45.30, 45.40, and into the $46 range. It's very clearly mapped out, guys. However, I think today's going to be very important. If we end up turning red, which is entirely possible, I think that we have that possibility of bouncing back down. Again, that could take us to levels around the $44 range, specifically the low 44s, in which case we could see this one have the potential to go even lower than that. It's just my opinion, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you again. Goodbye.